fa nyame asafo ho se ye metime wase ne sa ne nema no ekoso wo nyame efie na wo kasa so se obia wa adwen a odi wura nyame fie na bibisa bishop se etie nyina ye betumi aye baako ama na yeye but ono ekokofa se ye betumi aye baako because ye nhye se wo se ye baako esanse ye wo Kristo baako moja baako na atoye nti wo se ye tumi ni obia ye baako na osan ma ye ti ase akra se obia wo bebi ofri ba ne na dwen ode ba obu ha menopause menopause o se die ni sa Andrew Boni sa nyamane ame afefa enkrofo obi wo hawo a wo pressure de da enti asemanya asem kra no na ode aya asem de ne and asem don kan ya asem but no pressure bi adane sunti no na wa fa asem no na aye watching time asema give it to me a chance so near cannot just a day a second no on sit as here but you will say ya makwaima ya munamu any amano ya makwaima munamu nyame free mu ne yamuku yakoma masa enyama we nyina etumi ekoso ewo nyame eye efie ema mentime ho ase eba enti na bebisa se ye wo nyame fie na ye pese mentime ho ase na ye pese ototumi ye adwuma na ye betumi aye nyankopon adwuma yie ye betumi aye nyame adwuma because ade ba ko ametena se me hu ne se enkabomu ye ade bia enije enkabomu emma botoyem enkabomu emma akoma eto ne yemu na afenzu so kra no emma endompe so kra edwetwo emma yare na se ye nyina ye de nkabomu nyame fie na se ye de ye nyame adwuma emma nyame adwuma so etumi etumpon ye hu ye ho se obi si obi but ebuo de wo se ye de ma ye ho a emma nyame adwuma etumpon ba bishop ka so obia eyi obia ba me so meka se obia ye obia eye no kra de wo ka no but enidie mu de e wo se bible so ye mfa enidie emma de enidie e dey example enti di asam na wo ka efa asofo a enkabomu eni wo muntem edie isusuanso sa na etumi ba asofo kabomu ni asofo ntem a nyame adwuma ye fo ntem isusuanso ben na etumi de ba
pacho
me ka nyame adwuma ye fo
nyame adwuma ye fo mu no tise ka obatima ka the book of Romans 12 no mami
Romans 12
chapter 1 and 2
Ose enti enianom mijina yankopon mo bro hu no so metu mo fo se momfa mo nipadua ensi ho se afode a ete ase a eye kronkron a eso nyankopon ani a eni mu nyamesom a adwene wo mu no na munya mo ho se wiase na imbo momfa adwene mu foforoye esachwa mo ho na maso de onyankopon pe a eye na eso ani na eye pe no ahwe
ente wo ba tu na na o kana ma me kana foto kasa krabe he say and be not conformed to the world but be you transformed by the renewing of your mind. Transformation is important. Then I'm very good. Then I'm also for yet to me bakuno. Yes, it's a transformation. A junior Sakayano. And I Jim Fufron. I didn't Sakayano to me, Yajima. Because yet to say a sorry bar one a bottle or the bar, sorry. And the same or software one a bottle or the baby software. By Yame Fro, Pa or Bubu Akuma. Yame Fro and Pa or Babubu Akuma. First, Mimi Baha, Kumasi. Christiania, Namichian. But it looks a country for Pennsylvania, I may add an idiom for. Because what you are on this,
what you are Christo, the what you are now on this. Okay.
Now, the back will be a meme free banner, 9 chair a year, 9 chair promote relationship. Chair. And Yankofa. It promote relationship.
And I found some the Korea.
It's over say Christian. Me go back to car motive me now won't chairman now. Me kuma ya ham.
Now when you fine cry.
Me ya fine. Because me tina bewa me chiao. Because you are my neighbor at that moment.
Enti
bibi si wo mentem ana wo ntem a mi na me babo. Enti wo bati na mi nchen na wo nchia na me ma dwene no me hu the way ochi wa dwene yawo. Oh. Enti a cruel relationship nchia ya mfanye hwe but ya nim se ede nkabom ede eba. Oh.
Yeah.
What say or say be ye transformed by the renewal of your mind. Do not conform. Ya suffer be breno, ya buy ya mama, we conform. We want to be rich like somebody. We want to drive a car like somebody. Then we are conforming. Or say, oh, who ya say kabaye ye kawbanye be. Then you begin to conform. But the word of God is admonishing us. A culture say, young transformed by the renewing of our mind.
That's a man, you must say, we are
David. And as I say, time, Biano. Now, the Namani Basan say, as some soon ni Yamifi this year. As some new.
Not as Yamia, someone in fear.
David. Yakwa entertainment.
And ice entertainment.
And your entertainment. Your stories. We don't have time. Now we hear Sabre when I share when Yami Asamua, Upa Masara, me the whiteboard too. Nami Kura me maka.
Not just a teaching, Mama.
I teach. Yes. Why? Bible said the children of Israel went into captivity because they were not teaching priests. And Church Nima, Yako Asarna. Very good. And Nunama Uhu or Safobi, they measure themselves, comparing themselves to themselves. And Corinthians say it is foolish for me to compare myself to Bishop.
Because baby a bishop a free air bank. And a baby also free air bank. But Nina a yame friend. And Yam friend. But our fro beer for a purpose. And in the world said the bishop as a canasa, what to mean canasa. I also come as a bishop to mean canasa. Baby, I'll bet to me a bishop to me rabo. And see, I advise yes. And to know, I was saying a G and who to say, or friend, I'm your friend, and my friend enough, I will put a bin.
And that makes you
wo enya baako enti no ofrani mu no mimi ye peculiar e wo mimi frame ana won so saa na wo tie enti no enye se ye fa ewiase
enye se me ka se okay by kinchia me yet say bishop David
aya obepra
because bishop or a peculiar area mimi wa me peculiar area adibi wa how about my year
mimi to me ye was 70 ase
it's the same means share. What it? Christosum a complementary.
Yeah.
Or suffrage man. Me ma share never be brace for bishop. Never be your ha. Me can't not say me share. If you are me share me kai, me can't say me share because me na me ya Christo ni na me by your suffer. Ya me frame me.
Ya me frame. Every soldier.
To suffer.
Now you're soldier in
commando. To suffer.
And your command obey.
To suffer no. Na sano na minimum suffer juma. Because na me ya sorry pay. Me ko sorry. Me for me office na me coffee na me share Christo. Third day na me ya deliverer minister. Eba day na me hu nyame juma ne ye.
Ube hu nyame juma ne ye.
Me hu ne say obia.
Exactly.
Actually, I know meaning dear number to me, mean to me, and mission. But one name, son, I would detakashi say, okay, we show you suffer. Over here, then I'll suffer for you. What prank for no war? I
am papa.
And nothing I have prepare any public brewer, sorry.
Ya poison.
Identity. Or person on year then or suffer me uncle suffers here. Then soon, yes.
Oh, okay.
The
It's another man a day appear ba so from Emma pro year into me a juma enya ba ko Bishop put the be kan e doctor dey mu wakasa yi ankasa
na me ka ho say
na Bishop me dey be okan ya me ni e twe ma dream see so say who say ye ka say ade Emma e pro year ma kan respect and love no ya fa greetings no anka ho o dey abehye mu amaye enchia se bia mechia wona mechia enchia etimi
factors be break am
ye bia ye bebe no so factors of unity
ye bobo bi so our 1 Corinthians 13 so wo ma ho so nche
enche wonya
and so I told you young good salema na uhwe se ne ye kan ya in fact nipa asetan edi onyankopon kra ni nipa trae nipa ntimi ni nyankopon ntra one day kra yenti ana adam koye ni opeso nipa nkasa ho ahunti na ne ye ka no ye kan bibi suen hu ese ye kan bibi wo 1 Corinthians Romans chapter 5 verse 5 Romans 5
no say na eni da so enhye aniwo efiri se wanam honhom kronkron a wode amaye no so ehie nyankopon do aguye akoma mu
wanam kronkron so hie nyankopon do aguye akoma ye kan nyina no a ye bobo so wutum se division ben papa mu watime wakame nyina jejanye mabiso ejejanye nipa say ye man ho kwan mo nyankopon entran ye mu emfa ye mu emfa ye atwa kebetima ye bibia together amna ye amana akoso okay Acts chapter 1 Acts chapter 2 asmafo nyuma etimienu ichemo aduanan 42 to 47 na the early church na hwe asore shase no was say they were doing things in common. Now before they did things together, no Bible just said no money na say asuma phone church there. Bible
Acts chapter 2.
Yes, verse 42. Come on.
Okay. Acts 42.
Yes.
I say na wokura asumafo no enchechre ne anyankofa ne pano gubuo ne empaibo mu ara na ehu ba nipa okay sana nkwa na
They say can trust.
okay na ehu ba nipa nyina so na asumafo no ye awanwade ne ensenkyere ni pii na wona wogidi nyina hia faako na won nioma nyina ye kwasafode na won nioma nyina ye kwasafode na won ton
na woton won ahunyade
na woton won ahunyade ne won nioma na woche mu ma won nyina sɛdeɛ ehia obiara na da wɔde akoma koro hyia mu wɔ asɔre fie na wɔbubu paano efie mu de ahosan ne akoma kron di wɔn aduane na wɔyi onyankopɔn ayɛ na wɔwɔ enimonyam ɔman no nyinaa anim na wɔwɔ enimonyam ɔman no nyinaa anim na Awurade de wɔn a na wɔregye wɔn nkwa ka asafo no ho da
asomwe be pese me twenya adwensi bibi so ye ka odo ye ka unity mo asem wo say na okura asomafo nkyerɛkyerɛ
asomafo
nkyerɛkyerɛ asomafo nkyerɛkyerɛ ye Kristo nkyerɛkyerɛ a odi ma om so mo nya be ba you see asomafo no nkyerɛkyerɛ ye nkyerɛkyerɛ na ati nipa no ho amo motinya gina ma Kristo wo firi abonten ba Kristo mo a wo wadwen wo susu yesa ne papa di go ba wo bedu nyame mu a yedo nyame adwen ne shape nyame asem ne shape wadwen so eji no say renew your mind munya wadwen foforo e wo Kristo mu enti wo mo de nkyerɛkyerɛ ene ma wo o wie ye no say no kra yonkofa So fellowship see ye nyina ayonkofa e breaking barriers se bibi wo me no ntem kra na se ba Kristo mu na esribom na bompa ebom ye bibi abom a ye betuma akoso aye baako.
Yes.
So asu na wo be kwa so mu no obi wa ha say we nya me class ne nkrofo we no enti am ka so obi anya obi a no say obi antimi nye ne ho nkwa. We all came to Christ and the same blood that saved rich man and the same poor man. Enti no se ba Kristo mu na say ye wa yonkofa na ye pu ye ho na ye do ye ho a, I tell you say unity will be promoted in the church. Aba ko nanim. Was it not okura pan bubuo and mpaibo mara? They were all eating together. No mu nyina didi bom. Na ekoba say o si ema ehuto nipa nyina so say enwonwa so say sikani obi a wo ochira ne university obi a oye headmaster wa ha obi oye say etimi ne obi a fratam ni etimi kabom eye bibia
obi a wo fom kra
etimi kabom ni kura mpo abekwa so bi na obekwa so bi obi wa no headmaster and so na ya osha wa so ne mu no obi a woye simple man bi one a preacher woye elder and so no wa Kristo munti no wa bubu na kuma that thing should be there.
Na say ye ba Kristo mu ni say we ka say minim ho ma sen wa na say obi o ba be gina wa ka say me bia o say
ye bu ya ma Kristo ye adwuma o ya kuma mu a wo mfa headmaster no e ma Kristo su mu ana wo mfa lawyer e ma Kristo su mu mfa judge e ma Kristo su mu o ko Methodist church as sola kesa say Methodist Presby and Anglican wo be ko obi o I call judge o justice. And so no oya osha wa share na tade a o direct nkrofo so monkotra
oya chorister
be chorister on fan bi bia nko ho so and so no obi o di kwan na nima o direct ade no wo ye sebe obi o ton na ade e o table so bi aka jeti
na judge
o tonyo that should be aya yonkofa Kristo mu ayonkofa na de basa na ka nyesa nko bi be ka say no yonko ne me no ti pen ne say wo be Germany who are you
when am
church say by your brain wants to make Kristo no nye make Kristo nya kwan tran ye mu yi a na ye de no ye adwuma e na di unity ne ba
and na di
and no can respect one another because we respect Kristo ye bu Kristo nti no
say ye bu
ye si bu ye yonko Kristo nti na bi bu Kristo nti e na mema ma ho kwan say wo di manim Kristo nti ye di Kristo be so ha edi asma for you a time no na o de sa ade ye adwuma na o de ye adwuma no wo se ehu to akra nyina so na o munyama nyina no o ye no unity kwasafodia o mo ye ba ko ye mu edi o mo won sase no mo wo sika no o mo no sika nyina ba so ni ama ye chiche ma obi asa ne obi ahia edi you can Acts chapter 4 verse 32 to 37 now. Was it there was no poor man in the church?
Yeah.
Adentia because near bo obia just any obia and that brought miracles.
Unity.
And the science and neighbor. The power of unity. See a couple more and the din sanctuary neighbor. A strength, and the to me, and the day in such a neighbor, corporate anointing, and the day such a neighbor, and the sunny nipa, the overswatch children, and the money petting cost will nipper to pong, and the mawa, and the Mercus of Moyam dead. So, it is a man who crying, I'm a Christian, and tell you, move the pray, and no point to be out. Yet to me, and she says, I don't know, a man, son, no, see, when they were doing that, the Lord Himself added to the church. When I could pound the castle and hold God added.
And to tell say, now Asafumuno say, a young Bakua and Basafuni. Exactly.
Ye hear crusade. Say, ye boy and pray ye near Bakua. Ye hear crusade. Because your life near crusade.
I just
I remember Crawford to an among say, oh. me cause aso ni hu Kristo ba ko ye wa asori
asori emu
because
apemu
ye ja Kristo ni hwe okay 1 John chapter 4 what say odo Kristo ye odo so ti ase no Yakobon de ne ma yen enti yanso yanfa ye ho ma ya fofo so ti ase no bi ka se onim Yakobon no tani nua o yo trofo because so nyame no odo no nyame a unhu no kra no o so do no no nua wo ben wa unhu no da na wo no no ene o yo trofo
that am
yo trofo
Bishop mami bi fast mami mo mi sama Bishop Bishop mami bi fast mi wa ha what you say what sem na che say o Bishop papa na che say what kwadre ewo ka ne say ehuma ni mu ewo ni church mu ampa Bible mu ewo ni church mu ampa mami bi sa asem wa ha okay ya ka unity ewo asafo mu say asafo mu ekroye eho asem na ye ka ne sese it is how unity ewo asafo mu no ewo say ye nyina ye baako emfa ho ni obi a de ote ye baako ana say ebia ye busua o say ye chiche ma busua ana say mi abusuamu a na che say me no tumi no nya ba
a mass do not say ye nyina fa one baptism say wo Kristo ndi ade ne bo wasu dia ene na minia so ti say one baptism, one faith, one hope, one God, one everything enunti ye be ye baako ye so ye be baako because Kristo mo ja the tall and the tall me dia arrange ntimi nya baako a must say Church of God wo ho a ese timi ye baako eni kwa so bu nsam mesem na honam fa asore no so ti ase ena papa bi go kan say ye wo honam mu Kristofo ene wo hunhum mu Kristofo ba ye nyina nche na te hunhum a anke ensem bra bi ase ke bibia nchichire but we have allowed carnality wiase wura soli ni mu wiase so wura soli mu a pesem kumnya wura soli mu asise wura soli mu ankwasabo wura asoli mu ayefa sam wura soli mu akono boni wura soli mu asise wura soli mu edibo se da so na ye wiase aye ti se wiase
aye entertainment
aye so wiase ntibo se obi kan sika ewon Wesley anase asole to ho no oyibi se botom oyibi se botom na mo price kan so we are we go kwenta dollar na wo mu na ayira
104.1 Kumasi 104.1 on Facebook ubehu ye ewo ho ubehu doctor say ubehu bishop so won kasa
aso padi ko tadi anu di zelo
pastor
140 no di zelo account na 1.4
eti me pa cho me se wutie ye yakọ Facebook Kumasi 104.1 ubetumi akọ Vida Appeje entry enso so ukwa me pa cho like na comment na share mami mo hwa mo like kra mo comment mo share me pa cho mo share emfa emma lady pastor na mo comment na mo ma lady pastor ehun say dumedi a wo di no ekọ nanim ana say ejina de ejina ana eba form mo share na mo comment na mo like na me hu say mo ni jijumedie no eho erade ensura wo pa say wa share na wa share we call Facebook na wa share na wa like na wa comment e dia mame Kumasi 104.1 FM na Vida lady Vida Appeje entry ko Vida Appeje entry so obi ko Instagram so a eno so e wo ko hwe wo nyina ubehu ye live e wo erade ensura pa and then said as adem asam no eko no em say asafuni mu no ne ye be komu ansa ye wi aya ba bonten so me ye sure say e betumi aba bonten so ana bishop yenko asafuni de na kan na me de papa my hwede ya mema emre because and then person me jam all time college eti na ye hu iti an yenko
eti adna kwa esi hu ne say ye ma Kristo mra so and try ya brabo ye allow Christ ya sa kono samni ko se boni na ma
Kristo
so I say na ye ma hunam bamu dia ene ko master o jeni mo na de o de all man nsa so da na ni nya no ye lie oye lie na lie no ye wo he oye na so omo mo to nyo che no jeni mo ye o beat time o ye say nyina o de nani like I said when we cross we will meet Yes.
That's what Bishop. Okay, what's on the yardis and now the yardis.
Bishop is more experienced.
Bishop is right.
I am more experienced
than you. Oh, nice. Tell me, Alex.
So, when now, dear, and you can say, man, I'm about a son, a bastard in Papa Moon. I didn't Papa Muti Acts chapter 6. When they were going, and on the Acts chapter 2 up to Acts chapter 5, a year Jumano. One said, Obi to say Ananias, and then a year Sapphira. Or what did say, yes, some a bra for the Bokuno. They died. It was a warning because no unity here, Juma. That is what unity and make a channel. No, yeah, Juma. And yeah, you want to now conquer one day a strong. And you almost started like or with this super pony. I for the Bokuno Baby. They were killed. Such as yes, that was the supine we are see a pass on my better said. For your class, old boy, which we be a so, Nanka or you so be 2% more crime moving in your uncle. Chapter 6, Acts chapter 6. I know which Yanana who nam some Bermuna, Jew for the who said. I see a man will make a sing when we in group for and the yet I am tea perfume and you nam papa and Thomason and the division by so just say and the pour away Peter and Yamaka said no and yet Yanko conform so on Bay Dickens and the Dickens by so just say no more 7 tables. Now you pray, now preaching the word because we can't leave the word preaching. Any teaching, no, never said we table, and I did it came bad because now we are say bass on and we need more hands.
Okay. Now, Doctor, it is say Bishop say, no, we are say bass on the moon, and today here and Sabi and no moon and man leaking a bar as sorry anymore. And it is say no, what's to say, and let us Safumono was shy. We are say a fast Safunin no Mumu and I say, yeah, dear Yankupon as someone or the Maya and Nam Apostle as your father son, eh, yeah, Juma, I was Safumoana, and I will crew you, and I will say, maybe I see a bit. She says, I don't want
to who say you are ever asafun efa asafun because okay a brave yako yebi now that be am refer sa sam okay na ma mi no o say answer lie na ba je duane na o kan tell ni suffer say on continue
no no best and I'm catching say you na ya suffer
very good until that be am refer say lady pastor or catch on plane say women so for na o catch a woman in a line na then na we yes we say ya in a line but who suffer that is a problem until we are say our assortment we God we are say that is what Paul said it. Be ye transformed by the renewing, not conform to this world. Until as we conform. Why? Because Yanko Evangelion, he said, go ye. So go ye means wukohon. Now we can tell say, okay, baby, I made you wukohon nimrani. By Yanko. So they came. So they come with the well to the church. If you go ye, if I'm inviting you, now you are telling me, okay, here, this is the principles. Yaba, Sani say, na yaba boy abrawo. But who invited me? Me na made me I come with the word. And that's how the people invade the church with the word, with the character of the word. And nothing I'm I sorry them. We are dressing, I are dressing. We are casa. But Christianity, there are 3 words you should know. Please, sorry, thank you. Na sanyama won to me ana Christian be cry woman na dia on nimi thank you.
On to me come dance. Obo on na dia cry me dance cry. Na just say Christ na ni nso. na ni so ba ma yete asese e wo say nyina ye boaboa ye ho ye ho enti de nipa ne strength betumi na obi ama enti of the man we was out that as na unit no etumi aye ama da ne da nyina de kura no be ama
this is Bishop Kan because Kenya Christo I don't think ka Mashia Bishop da
nka we share me da
ka me share no kra na ka minnim
nka wo nim no
Kenya Christo ka me share wo da na Christo na de nka bomba na ya wo Christo mu no de na batima bua na saadima no ye adima pa se we should go back to the Bible na nko chere
yes sign call eye nyame asem
good back to the Bible na ya chere asam no de na ese ye wo ba Christo ma we are body fufu bravo say na ese wo bo enye de na woni very good. We are for say if you go to Rome, do what Roman is wrong interpretation. Do what Romans were supposed to do, not do what Romans are doing. Wow.
Not to say yeah, na I wasn't one more year.
Excessive woman, and yet there no woman, and yet there no woman. If you are sorry, yeah, no, so will be the church is not even growing. Sister, a circulation in your group.
Obifi asori mu no asori mu no
asori. And your group. Okay. A circulation.
Okay. Yeah, Doctor Asibebre e wo na semo ene waka ama yeti ase. Yeah, that bishop so ase. Enti no ekro ye emfaso ben ene de kro ye eba e wo nyame asafo.
And for sure, I did kind of Psalm 133 verse 3. Because
Psalm 133.
Psalm 133 verse 3.
Yeah.
Because you can for sure, I did kind of. Bakuye, I did back with me as of.
Blessings.
Psalm 133.
Yeah. Psalm 133 verse 3.
My young chas, you free one.
Okay.
Also, share. Yeah, first. Fair. Yes, enuanum bom tina faako. Ete say aboden enwopa wo hwie gu Aaron mpam apampamu esane gu na bodwese mu na esane gu na taade mu anoso. Ete say Hermon bosuo esane gu Zion bepo so na eho na Awurade ahye nhira ane enkwa dikosi da.
Amen.
I say, at the set Bosua is sending good Zion because na eho na Awurade ahye nhira. Kosi da. Na me pese hwa ade. Me na matra Israel in Fietu. Minim sene saa bepo no a oka ho asem no
etie
Golan Height sene bepo kese no etie ani sene esro ho tnie kusu na busu esane saa na nsu metre ne ba be fa abeye Jordan bebo ebe nsu na bebo Galilee ni ne toaso beye Jordan the person who said, "Oh, you may can't send me." Say believers you try together. At the same time, when Bosu are a senigu Zion. So tiase.
Tiase pa.
Enti I was say ye tiase. Na you who said say ye kabo mu a. Na di o ya me blessing ba so le.
Di o ya me nshira.
O ya me nshira e ba so. Ade di ye kan ya me nshira. Nyame nshira na mani paya odifo enti so bi be ye aso betum pon abrabo be koso awade be koso enma betima ko university na o mabraba ye fine na ye hu sakache fo ba asori mu obi esi dan obi abrabo obi esco koso a na ye unity na de ba asori obu kambo mu bia rutu se ye yi ohia fi asori mu asori bia unity won bia no nipa wo mu nyina be ya kese wo mo ma be ya kese because the unity wo mu a we opportunity am de be ma wo
we bua we
nya kwa bia wo ba wa nyina wa bi university wa ko university yi o pa adwuma no me mi wo ba bia me bie kwan na me ama no wo su be bie kwan na ye koso ti ba bia unity wo no hwe e de onyame bless never hwe se nipa bone for Croatia no mo ye united they succeed Omti kuni mani yi. And until na ask Genesis chapter 11. One thing I want to see dino a bad. Almost say they want to have name for themselves. On bet on GT.
Can be bisa doctor Bishop can be bisa usase.
Yes.
I Jesus so ya de here no so.
Again yet they can the strength and the power of Jesus.
Yes.
Again yet. Again now we in Genesis chapter 11 no yet. But because they were united, so what you say, I remember here was nothing can prevent this people. The being who are basically way more, and to let us go. God the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit, and the Vine on the sacrament. Also, I do not near come once and Sardinis, son, a Juan Bessissa. And you are doing a radical margin or margin society, a Juan die or die. Then unity and the blessing ba and the enkosoba and the pejaba and the kankoba and the tremuba and the monamba and the name of papa and hoba. You see, I mean, you see, let me tell you, say, yeah, unity, power of unity. So, are you any crew come one? The being who be to see on quite so young person.
Yeah, can I say the power of unity in the church?
Yes, make example. Are you any crew come one? Will be any with your phones.
No.
Such as it.
And you are also come
and the unity I can once and the many blessings. We have made blessings and blessings. I will not move blessings. And back and many push up and you come on.
Idea be here. International says, come on, and Yamia Safuma, and no Pennsylvania at that D. Now, yes, I mean, Kwame yet, Namaji and Munyamo. It said, on the Baka Abomu, Naomi, Omuna, Aya, dear Nona Ayafeno. Now all pair or no any Munyamo Benyanti. Now all pair say a bebo or no dainty. All finding on the Niano and Cambo and Yabako, Temiano, or Nona, or Peso, or Greedy and him. Now, or Dikai. Na ya kasa onona owaya ade na ya sanso anyankopon empene so sa de bia de papa mu de bia na etwe nyame asafo ekwa akire emma nyame asafo entumi emuvu ba se ya kabo mu a na ya adwenkura ya adwenkura won paibom ya adwenkura esue nyame asam ya adwenkura tu anamo bi a wo se yetu na yesa menkoa na meye menkoa na meko ade na osanka me mo bi ka me ho enso menkoa enti no esa emma nyame adwuma ntumi enkoso na yesa anso a emma nyame adwuma ebre benyame adwuma mu esa nsese ba ko fo nko a eso a ni komu eden ebu enti mo mayen kamom na ewo nyame fie esi ye ka nyame fie asem ye fi nyame fie ye besane asifom but mo mayen kamom ewo nyame fie bishop doctor mamidi kan ko doctor bishop electo ekabom obo wo afutu bia obetu afma eye nyame fie asofo church members and the one was see one year Christopher no and even your churches krana they say when I saw we Methodist Presby Roman you can say there glory one faith one resurrection then we say me ma sorry am community oni obi sorry onye the member oni no and to me united e ma ni nyeje na wo assembly a wo be kan fa ho ana because esoma sorry sorry entime fo say on come sorry onye ma sorry ba entime to be mo ano me to me ne nya ba ma ni nyeje intino ye na wo ka e bi afa
that's be we say to say bishop kan nkabom edi nkunimdeba edi nkunimdeba nkaboma God is committed in unity. Okay? God is not committed in gathering. He is committed in togetherness. The new thing will come to Matthew chapter 18 verse 19. 18 verse 19. What's my
Matthew
18, 19.
Matthew chapter 18.
19.
Same.
Uh-huh.
No kware me some say.
Uh-huh.
Mumu benu ye anokro asase so wo asem biara a mo bebisa ho a meja owo so no be ye ama.
Anokro. One unity. Until when the church become one, I want to me. I want koso. Asarno bibia muya
ebekoso
unity
nti ebetumi atwe akra me
ewiase
asafo nyina enya asafo ba
no ya ka church we are talking about the universal church okay na ka church you say at times nipa bebre enti nyankopon asamahye na wo mutimi pese wo mudi nipa hu fe na say one man church and that be America me to won fo say asoro no enya two-man church. There's no two-man church. A church that they feel it is two-man church become a carnal institution, and carnality will enter. They live by laws. They don't live by the word of God again. No. You watch those churches who feel they are now institution. They institutionalize themselves. Now it's not one man. They are now carnal people. Check them. Check them. They vote and they will bribe. They will pay bribe to vote for me. They become worse than the worldly politicians.
How was it politics?
Yes.
Text politics.
No. Yaka wama Jesus say masima safo na sama ndo bi antemi faso. Eti asomni ya man die, and that man is Jesus. And you continue somewhere say one man as church, one man church, then you don't even know the one man you're talking about. One man is the church is an institution where Jesus started. So if I'm there, I'm working. I'm a steward. Me ya steward. Me ya oshafo. Until me asade nyamedi. Nabi. Until we call Gina somewhere and I say one man church. Then which means why do no. Okay, the doctor say oh she say we go jira baby now can or pa che say anyame asafo no asafo ewi ase nyina isu one nipa ba ko na eye ne dia ene Yesu ono no be share asafo no ase na ye nsusu ye bi enti ye no ye de asafo ano ne ye we no ye ahwesofo keke ye hweso na ye hweso e dia ma Kristo se Kristo ba obeba bebisa ye se asafo na mbe share wonsa no se na wo hweso uma ekruye na meka ho ase ye adwuma uma odo eye adwuma osi obi ka se odo nyankopon na wotan ni nua oye trofo enti uma odo etumi dedi na wa me ye trofo ewu Kristo enim enti bu doctor say o wasa wa ma no ye njai ka because one man no only Jesus Bishop me pacho e dia na wo ka e de atoaso amane afuto be na wo tulifo e fa tumi a ewo nyame asafo mu you ekro ye wo nyame asafo mu
me ka na se wo issue ase makwan ma ba ko ye eye adwuma e wasafo ye momo ne anyi ne ma e pra ba ko ye ese ba ko ye anwo ya sisi nkose buo nam sama ele baka mu ba yifie mu na yitimi ma ba ko ye eye adwuma ba ko ye adwuma di Kristo asafo nbe konkan ye nso asofo e wo mi ototo ye na so ma so ku beto let us allow the factors govern and as a de ba ko ye ban enye adwuma ye manina oye adwuma and na 1 Corinthians chapter 30 4 to 8
it's in my read why
ye makwan ma odo eye adwuma baako yɛ bɛyɛ adwuma.
Ye ma kwan na odo ye adwuma eye baako ye ebetumi aye adwuma. Erade hira wo a wutie bebre me pa chow de woni me ewo ha no omra me pa chow omra na